the world, and that's going to take place at 3 p.m. So if you have not registered yet, please do so. The registration is going to take place at 3 p.m. Hello， 各位朋友，你哋好，歡迎大家嚟到赤柱廣場啦。首先喺度等我自我介紹，我哋今日大會司儀陳慧萍，你哋好。今日咧為咗慶祝赤柱廣場作為領匯首間旗下嘅歡迎寵物光臨嘅商場啦，同埋一齊慶祝香港愛護動物協會90週年嘅紀念。咁我哋咧同一班愛狗之人喺度仔仔一堂啦，因為準備3點鐘嘅時候咧，我哋就會一齊喺度挑戰健力士世界紀錄啊，組成全球最大型嘅犬隻訓練班。咁希望咧各位朋友多多參與啦。咁未登記嘅朋友咧就可以去到我哋左手邊嗰度咧登記啦。咁記住3點鐘嘅時候咧，就想同大家一齊挑戰健力士世界紀錄，組成全球最大型嘅犬隻訓練班。